Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatHub to compare multiple AI models. So let's get started. Now, if you've ever wondered how different AI models answer the same question, this tool makes it super easy. Now, first you want to go to their website. It's app.chathub.gg and open the website. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean interface just like this, where you can select different AI models. Just click this drop down. And from here, you can choose from models like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and others depending on availability. Then you want to type your question into the main prompt box at the very bottom. For example, explain gravity, then hit enter. Instantly, ChatHub generates responses from all the selected models at the same time, and each answer appears in its own column, so you can directly compare tone, detail, creativity, and clarity. Now, this is super helpful because you don't need to open multiple tabs or log into different AI platforms. Everything is lined up side by side, saving you time and effort. You can experiment with different prompts, adjust which models are active, and see how each AI approaches the same task differently. Some might give short answers and concise answers, while others go more in depth. And that's about it. Just select your models, enter one prompt, and compare the results instantly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!